Welcome, boys and girls, and people of all ages and identities and whatever the hell whatever, blah, 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 blah. Okay, here we go. And it's in. I just got to tighten the two screws up a little bit just to make sure they're snug. And absolutely everything is in for the, what are they called? The balance?
The steady rests.
The steady rests. Never heard of that before, but okay. So the new steady rest bushings and everything are in. We're good. Now I'm going to work on this one here, which is a nightmare. But then again, everything's a nightmare for me the past couple of days. So we'll get this done and get it taken care of. Well, hey, I resemble that remark. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I don't want to know what you look like when you wake up.
Actually, I look fabulous.
You are fabulous.
Well, you know, hey. It's a tough job, but somebody's got to do it.
Well, yeah, of course.
Okay, well, this one's going to be kind of a short, quickie one.
You like short quickies.
Well, no, I actually like them to last a lot longer than people think.
I'd rather have 4 10-minute rounds than 1 hour long round. Because I'm fat and I need a fucking Gatorade and a snack between rounds.
And see me, hour and a half to 2 hours.
Fuck that. That's too much time.
Oh, no, then I'm good for, well, the next round.
You're good for the next 20 minutes?
Yeah, exactly. Okay, now that we're talking about more personal shit, here we go.
Went down the rabbit hole, didn't we?
We always do. All right, so I will do this one, get this taken care of. What about your hole?
What?
Huh?
Huh?
Suck my what? Fuck my who?
Who?
What?
Twat, you say?
Where?
I can't hear you.
Let me finger it out.
You know who taught me that? My mom.
Oh my God. Well, yeah, that would be Mom. That would be Mom. Okay, let me get this done now that we're back to... Oh my God, we are so fucking bad in this place. So, okay, I'll get this done and try and shoot video of the new one in. See ya. Oh, wait, no, here we go. I forgot. Where did I put it?
I'm over here being office. Yeah.
Well, where? No.
I am the ugliest secretary you ever did see.
I am not ugly, thank you.
You're not a secretary. I'm the secretary right now.
Well, then get back to work, bitch.
I gotta adjust my titties.
We'll get you a new bra. Woo! Get you one that lifts and separates.
Ooh.
Okay, so where did the...
Did you lose your mind? Well,
Lose? I'd have to have a mind to lose it.
yeah.
No, where's the mount for here?
Which mount?
Well, we had the flat one.
The front thing?
Yeah, the front one.
I'm coming. Don't get excited.
Okay, so that's trash that needs to go.
What would Allie tell you?
Okay, so I have this one.
Okay.
That's
for the
trash. So
front.
I have this one.
Yeah, that's for the front.
But it's 2 pieces for the front.
No, that's solid, brother.
Is that solid?
Oh, no, that's rubber. Yeah, they only send us... Oh, nice kit you got there, you fucking asshole.
So, again...
This place... Okay, I have to say, the T-Bird vendors are the worst. Are you, like, checking out my ass with the camera? Is this, like... Awesome, the name of love. Oh, God.
Oh, my God, dude.
Oh, God.
Don't kick us off YouTube. Please don't kick us off YouTube. Oh, no, wait, I didn't have a cord. I could have thrown it in your crack.
You're nut. I cleaned it up off the floor. All right, so just pull that apart and we'll see what we got.
Okay.
Maybe that chunk of rubber's okay and we'll be fine, but I'm getting really annoyed, and I know he just wants the damn car back, and I want to get the car back to him. Oh, look, here's steady rest bolts for mounting them to the chassis. Or to
You mean mine
the
are,
motor.
Mine are perfectly fine. I'm sorry,
Your original ones are perfectly fine?
Perfectly fine. They got their treatment, and they're fine.
Okay, these people piss me off.
Yeah,
Okay,
because...
T-Bird and Studebaker vendors are the 2 worst. And then we have the drive shaft people. Don't get me started on that. That's because we weren't able to go with our usual drive shaft vendor. That's a whole nother rant. I'll get back on that later.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm going to get off my soapbox. I got to pee.
Yeah, and get off your... Well, no, get back on your knees.
Wait!
I want that crack, boy.
You can't afford that.
Oh, yes, I can.
Probably.
Wait a minute. No, you know what I make, so yeah.
Well, you know.
Okay, so we're going to try and see if this is going to be okay. I'll undo this one.
That would be like the worst use of 2 weeks' pay in 5 minutes you've ever had.
Okay, now we're back to the car again. Sorry, John.
Oh, we're probably rolling on the floor laughing at our ridiculousness.
Yes.
Okay,
All right, so we're going to do this. Well, I'm going to do this real quick, and then I got to deal with some stupid vendors that don't want to do their job right. So, okay, we'll let you go. See ya.
They don't like it